Hi everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to draw a cute kawaii squirrel step by step. So, let's get started. First, I'll emphasize the squirrel's key features: the ears, head, body, tail, feet, hands, eyes and mouth. Now, I'll connect these parts with smooth, curved lines to keep the squirrel looking cute. Just a quick note, I'm here to show you how to draw the squirrel, whether you're using Procreate or drawing traditionally. I won't be covering coloring or rendering techniques in this video, but if you're interested, feel free to check out my previous tutorials, they'll help you bring your character to life. Now, I'm adding a small acorn as to add more funny to the drawing. You can add more details to the squirrel's head, cheeks, and tail. I'll add a simple background to bring the sketch to life. The squirrel is ready to be colored. Feel free to choose any colors you like to make it your own. There are no rules, just have fun and get creative. You can skip ahead to see how the result changes at each step. The squirrel is all ready now. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Bye.